Hello, welcome dear children. How are you? I hope you all are very fine and enjoying your classes. Children, I want to ask you a question. How old are you? आप कितने उम्र के हैं अभी? Yes, some may be of 8 years, some may be of 9 years because you are studying in class 3, isn't it? So, what all work can you do? कौन कौन सा काम आप कर सकते हैं बताइए, क्या क्या कर सकते हैं आप घर में? आप कौन कौन सा काम करते हैं एक्सेप्ट योर स्टडीज? पढ़ते हैं, पढ़ने के अलावा आप क्या क्या काम कर सकते हैं? कैन यू कुक फूड? कैन यू गो आउट टू बाय वेजिटेबल्स? कैन यू गो टू सम अदर स्टेट्स फॉर घूमने के लिए? क्या कहीं बाहर जा सकते हो? अकेले जा सकते हो? क्या किसी को हॉस्पिटल ले जा सकते हो? नो, ऑल दिस वर्क यू कांट डू. So some of the works you can't do and some of the work you can do. So when you ask to do some work at home, sometimes your mother tells don't do this, don't do that. ऐसे आपको मना करते हैं ना. लेकिन कभी कभी आपको लगता है ये मम्मी मुझे क्यों मना करती है, मैं तो ये काम कर सकता हूँ, I can do this. But always the elders, always the parents क्या करते हैं? आपको मना करते हैं, नहीं ये नहीं करना, वो नहीं करना, ऐसे तुम नहीं कर सकते हो. तब आपको बड़ी नाराजगी होती है, आपको बड़ा गुस्सा आता है ना? यस चिल्ड्रन, व्हाई? आपको पेरेंट्स क्यों मना करते हैं? आपको लगता है कि आप ये काम कर सकते हो, बट अगर आप वो काम करते हो तो आपको कुछ ना कुछ परेशानी आ सकती है. इट मे बी डेंजरस फॉर यू. आपके लिए वो डेंजरस हो सकता है, इसलिए मम्मी पापा मना करते हैं. इसलिए नहीं कि आप से वो प्यार नहीं करते. नो, ऐसा काम जो आपकी उम्र के हिसाब से आपको करना ठीक नहीं है, वही काम के लिए आपके मम्मी पापा आपको मना करते हैं. लेकिन आप गुस्सा हो जाते हो, कहते हो नहीं मैं ये काम कर सकता हूँ, और कभी कभी आप जिद करने भी लगते हो, है ना? सो चिल्ड्रन, today's poem is like that only. कुछ इसी तरह से आज का हमारा पोम है. So children, here I am your teacher Safina and today we are going to learn a poem from your Marigold book 3 unit 9 and it is a poem. The name of the poem is Don't Tell. Let's see the poem. So children, here is our poem Don't Tell. Don't tell का मतलब क्या है? नहीं, मुझे ऐसा मत कहो. Don't tell, नहीं बोलो, मत कहो. So children, in this poem there is a boy. एक छोटा सा लड़का है. He is very unhappy. वो बहुत ही दुखी है क्योंकि उसके आसपास के जो एल्डर्स हैं उसे हर काम के लिए मना करते हैं. ऐसा नहीं करना, वैसा नहीं करना, don't do this, don't do that. So he is very unhappy. And in this poem we are going to see the feelings of that child. Okay, let's see the poem. So children, here is our poem Don't Tell. Children, first of all we are going to recite the poem very slowly. You have to repeat after me. Okay, then we will understand the poem. Okay, don't tell. There are lots of things they won't let me do. There are lots of things they won't let me do. I'm not big enough yet, they say. I'm not big enough yet, they say. So I patiently wait. So I patiently wait till I'm all grown up. And I'll show them all one day. And I'll show them all one day. I could show them now if they gave me the chance. I could show them now if they gave me the chance. There are things I could do if I tried. There are things that I could do if but nobody knows. But nobody knows. No, nobody knows that I am really a giant inside. No, nobody knows that I am really a giant inside. So children, this is the poem. कुछ समझ आया बच्चों? Can you understand something? Yes, this is the poem written by Irene Yates. Irene Yates. The name of the poet is Irene Yates. Children, in this poem, the poet is telling his feelings. When he was a small boy, the poet is telling his feeling. जब वो छोटा सा बच्चा था, तो उसका फीलिंग्स कैसा था, वो कैसे फील कर रहा था. There are lots of things. ऐसी बहुत सारी चीजें हैं. They won't let me do. वो हमें करने नहीं देते हैं. ऐसी बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जो हमें वो करने नहीं देते हैं. They, वो किसको कह रहे हैं ये? They won't let me do. इसका मतलब क्या है? वो हमें बहुत सारी चीजें करने नहीं देते हैं. कौन? हमारे elders. This boy tells, वो हमें बहुत सारी चीजें करने नहीं देते हैं, हमें इजाजत नहीं देते हैं. I'm not big enough yet. They say मतलब वो कहते हैं, वो बोल रहे हैं. उनका क्या बहाना है जो हमें ये सब नहीं करने देते? वो कहते हैं कि I am not big enough yet. अभी मैं काफी बड़ा नहीं हुआ हूँ. मैं उतना बड़ा नहीं हुआ हूँ जो मैं वो सारे काम कर सकूं. So I patiently wait. इसलिए मैं आराम से, patiently मतलब शांति से, आराम से मैं वेट कर रहा हूँ. So I patiently wait till I am all grown up. कब तक? जब तक कि मैं बड़ा ना हो जाऊं. Grown up मतलब बड़ा होना. And I'll show them all. और I will show them. मैं उनको दिखा दूंगा, मैं उनको बता दूंगा. एक दिन, one day, एक दिन मैं जरूर उनको बता दूंगा. उन सभी को, them all, यानी कि उन सभी को मैं एक दिन जरूर बता दूंगा. I could show them now, but फिर क्या कहता है वो? I could show them now. मैं अभी भी उनको दिखा सकता हूँ. I could show them now. मैं अभी भी उनको बता सकता हूँ, दिखा सकता हूँ. क्या? If they gave me the chance. अगर वो उनको अभी chance दे तो. Chance का मतलब क्या है? मौका, opportunity. अगर वो मुझे अभी मौका दे, अभी वो हमको कहे, मेरे पेरेंट्स या मेरे एल्डर्स अभी हमको कहे कि अभी बता दो, अभी करके दिखा दो, तो मैं जरूर उनको बता दूंगा. मैं बता सकता हूँ कि there are things I could do. बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जो मैं अभी भी कर सकता हूँ. मैं उनको करके बता दूंगा. If I try, अगर मैं ट्राई करता हूँ तो मैं अभी भी कर सकता हूँ. मैं इनको शो कर दूंगा, मैं उनको प्रूफ करके दिखा दूंगा. If they gave me the chance. अगर वो हमको चांस दे तो, अगर वो हमको मौका दे तो मैं अभी भी करके बता दूंगा. But nobody knows. लेकिन किसी को भी पता नहीं है. No, nobody knows. नहीं, किसी को भी पता नहीं है. इसका मतलब क्या है? कुछ सीक्रेट है. यहाँ पे कुछ सीक्रेट है जो किसी को भी पता नहीं है. ना मेरे पेरेंट्स को पता है, ना हमारे एल्डर्स को पता है. जो मेरे आसपास हैं बड़े लोग, उनको किसी को भी पता नहीं है. That I am really a giant inside. कि I am, मैं really, वास्तव में, सही में एक giant. Giant का मतलब क्या है बच्चों? Giant means very large, बहुत बड़ा. Very large figure, बहुत ज्यादा बड़ा. बड़ा तो है लेकिन ये बहुत ज्यादा बड़ा. Giant hill, जैसे हम कहते हैं giant hill, बहुत बड़ा पहाड़. जाइंट मैन, जाइंट फिगर, इसका मतलब है बहुत ज्यादा बड़ा. जितना हम सोचेंगे नहीं उससे भी ज्यादा बड़ा. जाइंट मतलब बहुत बहुत ज्यादा बड़ा. तो क्या कहता है वो? आई एम रियली अ जाइंट इनसाइड, मैं अंदर से बहुत बड़ा हूँ, देखने में तो छोटा हूँ. I am looking a small child. You can see that I am a small child, but from inside I am a giant man. मैं बहुत बड़ा हूँ. इसका मतलब क्या है कि he tells that he can do many things. He can do many things because he is a small child, but from inside, अंदर से he is a very giant man. Okay, very strong man. Okay, children. Now we will see the new ones. Okay. New words. What are the new words we have seen in this poem? Enough. What's the spelling? E-N-O-U-G-H. Enough. Enough means काफी. काफी है, बस है. When you are suppose when you are having breakfast, your mother give you the breakfast and again she puts 2 rotis extra for you. और 2 रोटी आपको दे देती है. What do you tell? आप क्या बोलते हो? No mom. No mom, it's enough. ये मुझे बस है, इतना ही काफी है, मैं और नहीं खाऊंगा. That is enough. C-H-A-N-C-E, chance. मतलब क्या है? अपॉर्चुनिटी या मौका. एक चांस, मुझे भी एक चांस दीजिए, बोलते हैं ना. पोम में कैसे कहा था? That boy tells, if they give me a chance, I can prove them, I can show them all. That is chance. Giant. G-I-A-N-T. Giant. Giant का मतलब क्या है? बहुत ज्यादा बड़ा. Very large, very big. You can see here one giant man. A man is standing here. उसके सामने giant figure. This is a giant man. बहुत ज्यादा बड़ा है. That is called giant. Patient. P-A-T-I-E-N-T. So what is the meaning of patient, children? Patient का मतलब क्या है? एक तो हॉस्पिटल में पेशेंट होते हैं, जो बीमार होते हैं उसे हम पेशेंट कहते हैं. But here the meaning is different. Maybe the spelling will be the same. Spelling जो है same है. But 2 patients are there. एक तो बीमार वाला पेशेंट. One more. In this poem, the meaning of patient is आराम से, शांति से, सहनशीलता से, यानी कि आराम से, patiently. वो patiently wait करता है. ऐसा कहा था ना पोम में. Patiently मतलब आराम से, relax, patient. Okay. Now grown up. G-R-O-W-N, grown, U-P, up. G-R-O-W-N, grown, U-P, up. All these words are given in your book, children. And some more words I have noted here for you that you should learn this word also. And the spelling also you should learn. Okay, for these words. Grown up. What do you mean by grown up? Grown up का मतलब है बड़ा होना. बड़ा होना. ठीक है? Really. R-E-A-L-L-Y. Really. यानी कि सही में, actually. Really. That boy tells that I am really a giant inside. Actually I am a giant inside. मैं really में, असल में, सही में क्या हूँ? अंदर से giant हूँ. So that is really. Okay? And. What is this? And. Children, in the earlier classes also we have learned this. The words having apostrophe, and it is a short form of I am. What is it? I am. Short form of I am. ठीक है? ये है I am. Okay. Now what is this? I'll. That means the short form of I will. I will. Okay. Now won't. What is this? This is the short form of will not. How will you write this? How will you write this? W-I-L-L, will, and not, not. So children, all these are new words we have seen in this poem. Reading is fun. Now you have to answer these questions. How old is the speaker? So So who is the speaker in this poem? Speaker means the poet, Irene Yates. So in this poem, how old is the speaker? Speaker means who is telling the feelings, जो अपना feeling बता रहा है इस poem में. You can write the answer. The speaker is a small child. The speaker is a small child. और आगे ये भी लिख सकते हैं आपकी he may be 8 years or 9 years old. He may be 8 or 9 years old. Okay. Or you can write the speaker is a small child only. Okay. Now what is the next question? Who are they and them in the poem? In the poem we have seen two words, they and them. Who are they? They or them कौन है इस poem में? Let's see where is they and them in the poem. Let's go to the poem. So children, here is the poem. We will see where is they and them. Okay. See, they. There are lots of things they won't let me do. They. Here they you can find. Then and I show them all. I could show them now if they give me the chance. Okay. So here one more day. They say. Who are they and them? यहाँ पे जो they और them बताया गया है ये किसके लिए है? Yes, they and them are the elders or the parents. So what is the answer? What will you write the answer, children? In the poem, they will write like this, they and them. Who are they? They and them are parents and elders. जो भी आपके आसपास में बड़े हैं और पेरेंट्स हैं, they are them and they. What is the secret the speaker is hiding? The secret of the speaker is that he is really a giant. He is really a giant from inside that nobody knows. Giant from inside. वो अंदर से एक giant है and that nobody knows. वो किसी को पता नहीं है. So that is the secret. Children, this is our new exercise, word building. What you have to do here? You have to make new words from the given word. Some words are given here. Blackboard, mother, vegetable, 1000 and helicopter. Okay. From these words, you have to make new words under this word. So children, let's do this exercise. Okay. First word is blackboard. Some more words are built with this word. इस blackboard word से कुछ नए शब्द बनाए हैं. What are those? Black, B-L-A-C-K, black. Then B-O-A-R-D, board. It is another word. Then B-A-C-K, bag. It is one more word. Okay, three words we have built here. Mother, M-O-T-H-E-R, mother. what all words can you make from this word? Like O-T-H-E-R, other, one word. Then M-O-T-H, moth. Then H-E-R, her, 3 words. 3 वर्ड हो गए. इसी तरह और भी वर्ड आप इससे बना सकते हो. इस वर्ड से और भी कई वर्ड बना सकते हो. ओके, फर्स्ट वी विल राइट हियर H-E-R, her, एक वर्ड हो गया. देन O-T-H-E-R, other. O-T-H-E-R, other. Then M-O-T-H, moth. M-O-T-H, moth. ये भी एक वर्ड है. Do you know what is moth, children? Moth means it is a small insect. Sometimes when there is no electricity at your house, you lit a candle. आप कैंडल जलाते हो. Then after some time you can find some insects flying around the candle. कैंडल के आसपास कुछ कीड़े ऐसे उड़ते हुए दिखाई देते हैं ना. They are called moth. Okay. Vegetable. From this word you have to make 3 words. Here you can make only 3 words, but many more words can be made with these alphabets that you have to make and you have to write in your notebook. Okay. Vegetable. Now what all words we can make here? T-A-B-L-E, table you can write. T-A-B-L-E, table. Then A-B-L-E, able. A-B-L-E, able. ये भी एक वर्ड है. Then G-E-T, get. ठीक है. और भी आप बहुत सारे वर्ड बना सकते हैं, जैसे B-A-T, bat. T-A-B, tab. इसी तरह कई वर्ड आप बना सकते हैं. You should make and you should note down in your notebook. 1000. From this word, one word is S-A-N-D, sand. You can make S-A-N-D, sand आप लिख सकते हैं. और A-N-D, and भी आप बना सकते हैं. और क्या लिख सकते हैं आप? S-O-So, ये भी एक वर्ड है. इसी तरह और भी आप वर्ड बनाइए और अपना नोटबुक में नोट करके रखिए. हेलीकॉप्टर. हेलीकॉप्टर से आप क्या बना सकते हैं? P-O-T, pot. H-O-T, hot. Then और क्या बना सकते हैं? L-I-P, lip. L-I-P, lip. So यहाँ पे हम सिर्फ 3 वर्ड बनाते हैं, but you have to make many more words. Here we come to the exercise. Look at these words in the poem. So children, what are the words? Don't, am, and I'll. We have seen this word in the poem. Okay. Here are their full forms. Don't. The full form of don't is do not. Am. What is the full form? I am. हमने पहले भी बताया आपको. I will. Okay. All these are full forms. Now what you have to do? Now write the full forms of the following words. Some more words are given here. You have to find out the full form of these words also. Like can't. What is the full form? It is the short form of cannot. So you have to write here the full form. Okay. C-A-N, can. N-O-T, not. Okay. Now what's. It is the short form of what is. What is. Okay. Now it's. It is the short form of it is. I-T, it. I-S, is. Now that's. Here it is. That is. Okay. Isn't. Is not. Is not. Here make these sentences using the following. So you have given some lines here and some words are written here. What are the words? He is, she is, you are and we are. So what you have to do, children? You have to make sentences using these words. First we will make the word from his. Okay. His. He is an intelligent boy. Intelligent boy. Okay. Then she is. Okay. She is a pretty girl. She is a pretty girl. E-R-E-T-T-Y, pretty girl. Okay. Now we'll make the sentence with you are. You are. Okay. You are you can write you are a nice person. You are a nice person. Now we are. So we are going to Mumbai. We are going to Mumbai. What is the spelling of Mumbai, children? M-U-M-B-A-I. Okay. Like this, children, you can make sentences of your own. Okay. Here, now write about 2 things you will do when you grown up. When you will become a big man, a big person, what you want to do. About 2 things you have to write. You can begin like this. You can begin the sentence like this. When I grown up. आपको 2 चीजों के बारे में लिखना है जो आप बड़े होने के बाद करना चाहोगे. And the sentence you will begin like this. When I grown up. I will. इसके आगे आपको जोड़ना है. B-E-C-O-M. B-E-C-O-M-E. Become a pilot. Then one more sentence. क्या लिख सकते हो आप? आपके मन में जो है you can write, but I am writing for you when I grow up. When I grow up, जब मैं बड़ा हो जाऊंगा या जब मैं बड़ी हो जाऊंगी, I will, that is I will like to serve poor people. मैं जब बड़ी हो जाऊंगी या मैं जब बड़ा हो जाऊंगा, मैं गरीबों को सर्व करना चाहूंगा. I will like to serve poor people. Poor people. गरीबों की सेवा करना चाहूंगा. Okay, like this you can make sentences. Say aloud. Now you have to read these words aloud. Giant. G-I-A-N-T. Giant. J-A-M. Jam. G-Y-M. Gym. J-U-N-E. June. G-O-O-S-E. Goose. G-R-E-Y. Grey. G-O-L-D. Gold. G-U-M. Gum. See children, this word you have to say aloud and you have to listen it carefully. What is the pronunciation of G every time? हर एक बार G का जो pronunciation है वो कैसे है वो आपको ध्यान से सुनना है और you have to repeat this word aloud. Choose and tick the words with a J sound. अब आपको इन सारे words, all these words also you have to read aloud and what you have to do, you have to find what are the words having J sound. जैसा हमने यहाँ पे पढ़ा G और J, यहाँ पे G है यहाँ पे J है, लेकिन both the words having J sound. Giant, jam. Like this you have to find the words from these words having J sound and you have to take it. Okay? January, January. You must listen carefully, children. What I am reading, you have to listen it and you have to tell which is the word having J sound. January, January. Jacket, jacket. Giant, giant. Goose, goose. यहाँ पे ग साउंड है. Giraffe, giraffe. Grapes, grapes. यहाँ पे भी ग साउंड है. Gem, gem. Grow, grow. Grey, grey. Jam, jam. July, July. June, June. तो आपको पता चला बच्चों कि कौन कौन से वर्ड में जे साउंड है. होप यू ऑल हैव अंडरस्टूड इट. चिल्ड्रन, यू हैव टू रीड ऑल दिस वर्ड अगेन एंड अगेन, देन ओनली यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड इट प्रॉपरली. ओके चिल्ड्रन, सो दिस इज आवर लास्ट एक्सरसाइज. So we will meet in the next class, children. Till then, take care. Bye bye.